What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the call dropping issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all take out the SIM card from your phone, and after that clean the SIM card with a clean cloth, and after cleaning put it back in your phone. So doing this will help you to fix the calls dropping issue. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting the phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting, the calls dropping issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings. Scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings. So when you will tap on this reset settings option here, it will reset your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And resetting the network settings will fix your call dropping issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.